welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of four sorts of monthly boxes out there, sometimes some product reviews and maybe some other times some travel and adventure, then make sure that you go ahead and you subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, then woohoo, welcome back my beautiful. So excited to have you guys here. And I have a totally new box. This box, the first box was out, I believe it was March. So I believe this is their May box, and it is called Glow Getter. So this is what it looks like. I love the color of the box. The pink color is my favorite color. So I will give you guys a little bit of information about the box, but I will leave you guys full details on the description down below. And I will have to wear my glasses because everything is super tiny in here. So with that said, okay, so this is going to be, it's a woman-owned business supporting woman-owned businesses. The first box launched on March 8th. Okay, so I was kind of right. In honor of International Women's Day. So 9 businesses inside. Every month, each box would include 4 products, 3 gift cards, 2 coupons, and 1 insert. The insert would be a booklet of positivity with inspiring quotes and a touch of something personal as it shares the backstory of each woman business inside the box. Her story of what inspired her to just go for it. $1 of every box every month goes to her too, a nonprofit that raises money for women who are battling breast cancer and can't afford treatment. If you want to try the box as a one-time deal, it is $40 for the month, or you can subscribe for a minimum of 3 months, and the box will just be $35 with and shipping not included. And I have a coupon code here. The box value is $165. And let's go ahead and get started. So with that said, I will leave you guys all this and more information in the description down below. So you don't have to memorize all that. Ooh, I like how this is, how you open this box. Okay, so you just, ooh, you just broke it. All right, that wasn't cool. I have no idea what's in here, guys. I have not opened this box. If I get there. Okay, I'm getting there. Getting there, getting there, getting there, and getting there. There we go. Okay, ooh. So that's what the box looks like. The box is adorable. I love the packaging and everything. When women support each other, incredible things happen. Absolutely. That is so cool. Okay, so it says Glow Getter. First item that I pulled from here. So it says, don't tell people your plans, show them your results. And I am a true believer of that. Okay, so it has information, goals. Okay, so this is a booklet of just information here. Okay, so we have a card. We have another card of some CBD oil. Might be a product that's inside the box. We will see once we get to the box. Okay, so first off, I have a little envelope here, and it has a sticker back there. And it says fetch, or hold on. I gotta put on my glasses, guys. I can't see. The letter is like really light. It's not small, but it's like super light. Okay, so it says Fetch and Co. Okay, so let's see what that is. Ooh. Okay, so it's a card. It has a QR code on the back, and it says Fetch and Co. Boutique. So adorable. So next up, we have another one. So it says here, fill up your cup. Livy Lou Lane. So let's see what this is. Okay, so it's a $40 value, Glow Getter. Ooh. So I have a coupon, a discount code for www.livyloulane.com. Ooh, exciting. Next up, I have another card. Let's see what this is. It's a $10 gift card. Ooh, this is exciting. Ooh, exciting, exciting. And those were the first items that I opened. So here we have, it's a clear complexion mask. It's infused with lemongrass aromatherapy sheet made from 100% coconut. It cleanses, it clears, and it inspires. Floral therapy sheet mask from Flora Pie. There we go. And then back here it has instructions on how to use it. Okay, what do we have here? So next up we have this right here. So it says here Stone Candle Co. So it is Meditate Amethyst. Ooh. Let's see. I love the design on the top of the tin. I will totally reuse can, this tin can after the candle is done. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells delicious. I wish I had superpowers, because I would just give you guys the smell. Next up we have, there's 3 items of the same here, and it says Impromptu, and there's 3 of them. Life Unscripted. What is this? I Got You, Babe. Okay, let's find out what it is. Ooh, they're lipsticks, so they're semi-matte lipsticks. Ooh, and there's 3 of them. Let's see. Ooh, I love receiving lipsticks. Oh my god, and it's so pretty. I love it. Look at this, guys. Ooh, look how cute. I love it. Oh my god, this color is pretty. Look at this color. This is so pretty. I will do a quick. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it looks so nice. I love it. Let's see what the other. And there's 3 of them. Okay, so this one was I Got You, Babe, was that one. This one is the Bronze. So this one is the Bronze. Ooh, it's like a nice purple. I love this. Oh, look how pretty. Adorable. Oh, I love this purple one. So the purple one, and then we have Ura, something like that. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, this is a nice red. Look at that. It's a nice bright red. So pretty. Ooh. So pretty. Oh my god, they are so nice. I love them. Then next up we have, okay, there's something else in here. We will see what this is. So it says here Lash Cult. So this is going to be ooh, some lashes, and they are so nice. Ooh, and they are so soft. Look how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. I wonder if in here, no, I didn't see it, so I don't think so. If this was like an information booklet that had prices, but no, none of this. Okay, nope, I don't see anything in here. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in the box. I love the lashes. They're so cute. Okay, I don't think there's anything else inside the box, guys. We received the coupons. We received the inserts. We received these eyelashes. Are stunning. I'm gonna, so you guys can see it, because these eyelashes are nice. They are super soft. Oh, I can't wait to wear them. I love that they're long, but they're not too full, which I don't like the ones that are long and full. I don't think I look good with them. Oh my goodness, guys, I loved everything I received. That candle smells so delicious. So with that said, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because I post pictures and I post a lot of information there as well. So it's Instagram, my subscription obsession. I will leave the link on the description down below as well. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.